Hello, this is Greg Joseph here. Hey, it's MAINE'S Food Reviews coming once again from the Power YouTube.
YouTube!
So guys, we're in for a treat today, guys.
Yeah.
We were at home, and I was just ordered Chinese. Keybank called me, and they're like, we know you're doing videos. We're not going to say the guy's name.
Nope.
But he's like, I know you were doing videos, and we would like to give you something for Christmas. So, what did he give us?
He gave us some stuff to do on.
He gave us a huge box, guys. And we're going to open it.
Yeah, see what he gave us.
And,
so.
one of these guys that worked there is a friend of my church, and he ended up giving two $25 gift cards to us too.
So it's pretty cool.
So
it's
a blessing, guys.
Yeah, it's a blessing. Guess what? We prayed and it worked. So there you go, guys.
So, and I appreciate all you guys that have sent us boxes of food to try and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we don't know what's in this box, so we're gonna get a look. So
it looks like a big bunch of.
Take
a look at it. There you go. You want me to open it up? Okay, open it up. Okay, go. Here we go. What?
Wow. Looks like Kit Kat's got a toy.
Wow. Yeah.
So one sec.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. Kit Kat.
Look at this Kit Kat.
Come here, Bubba. Come here, Kit Kat.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, you're going to like this.
Wow. Look at this.
Yeah, he's hiding on us, guys. He don't like
Let's
cameras.
open this real quick.
Yeah, we do that. Open it up. Get it. He'll come to that eventually. You'll hear the bells. Yeah. There he comes.
There he is.
He knows he's got a toy.
There he is.
Yeah, because one broke. We got one that broke, and he blessed us with another one. So for a Kit Kat, so it's cool. It's pretty cool. Just in time.
And this is gonna be a longer video, guys.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
It'll be a longer video.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff to try out, guys. So here we go.
Okay. Open this.
But right now we're gonna tend to the cat.
Oops.
Hi, kitty.
We really appreciate all you guys that sent us stuff. And
we appreciate all our fans, everybody, Keybank, everybody, for helping us out during our channel, and then the ones that don't feel obligated. Don't feel obligated to do anything.
Yeah, never feel obligated. All you guys, we ask you to do is enjoy our channel.
Yeah, enjoy our channel. We love it when people praise our channel. I mean, do that.
Praise our channel.
Well, not praise our channel, but when people say put some likes up, that's just as good as sending stuff out to us, guys.
Oh, by the way, we're gonna do the ginger ale video. Did get 13 likes. We haven't forgot. We're trying to. We're gonna try to get the ginger ale, because right now the ginger ale seems like it's really hard to get. I'm hoping they don't just have it at Christmas time. So
we're almost up to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So do some. Anybody that you come across that don't know about our channel,
definitely like it. Definitely share it on. I'll give you guys permission if you guys want to share it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever you guys want to do.
If you guys share it, we'll give you a shout out. If you just
if you let us know you shared it, we'll give you a shout out.
There you go. Yeah.
This is what it looks like, guys. Whoops, that's weird.
Yeah.
That's
wow,
cool.
that's
cool. Whoa, he likes
this. Kit Kat really loves this to everybody from Keybank. He really does.
Yeah.
He's praising.
Keybank is a very awesome place, guys.
Yeah.
They're like family.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, and we know them from church, so we ain't saying no names. They're really nice people. So
they don't want to shout us. They
no.
You know, they want let you know that Keybank is caring and
no, you're right. Yeah. So yeah. And you guys definitely helped our channel out, Keybank. So, yeah. We're going to do all these. It'd be cool. Yeah, see if he likes it. I think he's going to like this sauce. There you go.
Kick it.
You go after it. He'll fall in love with it gradually anyways. He usually does. He likes the little tail, so.
Kick it.
Get it.
Kick it.
Get it. Yeah. He's getting all kinds of gifts, guys. He's really been spoiled this year by the
first Christmas with us in his new home.
Yeah, he's been spoiled, hasn't he, Greg? We've been giving him all kinds of things. People have been giving him.
We got him a water thing over there. We got him
yeah.
We got him a lot of Christmas presents.
A lot of Christmas presents. We still got more to give him. We might do a video of that, right, Greg, about Christmas and show him the gifts. I don't know when because we're gonna be busy Christmas, but we'll see. Yeah,
He loves that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Keybank.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Keybank, for giving a gift to our cat. That was really, really amazing. It definitely feels like our cat because I'm over here. I see him quite a bit, guys. I come over. I get him gifts. I don't like to spoil him too much. I don't give him gifts all the time, but I do give him gifts. I still don't know what to get him this year, but I'm going to try to give him something. I don't know when, but yeah. But
he loves that.
All right.
I want to play with that right there.
Yeah. And I guess that's Kit Kat saying thank you by playing with it. There you go. Awesome.
Oops. If I can put that up.
Yeah.
There
That would be good. There you go.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Over, guys.
There we go.
Oh, this is bad, guys.
Yeah. What you need is a new stand.
Yeah, keep on buying all these stands, and it's like...
Maybe you need one for your birthday present.
I'm buying all these stands.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. There we go.
That was hard.
Yeah, it was.
I just broke my hand.
There we go. Yeah.
There we go, guys. So
there.
Okay. So the other thing is for Kit Kat.
Oh, there's another thing for Kit Kat.
Ooh, look! They got us Tangerine Turkey flavor mega pack.
Wow!
Temptations.
Ooh! For the cat.
Kit Kat, come here.
Here you go. You got a treat. Yeah, he likes it, guys. He's looking right at it. Aww.
They love you, Kit Kat.
Yeah.
They love you so much.
Yeah.
They love you so much.
His eyes are bugged right out. He wants it. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, he really wants this, guys.
Okay, can you see what?
Oh, yeah.
Put it over here. Throw it. Let's
Yes,
just do this.
Show it, yeah. Show you feeding him or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you go, Bubba.
Yeah, he likes it. There he goes.
You gotta eat up.
Really likes that.
Oh, wow. He wolfed those down really good. Wow, he wolfed those down.
Yeah, he definitely likes it. You got a treat plus a toy. What do you know?
Yeah, let's see what else Kit Kat has.
Yeah. You got any more stuff? Oh, wow! Look at that.
No.
No. Oh, yeah, he is? Oh, okay. I thought that was it. No, I ain't.
Oh.
I ain't. No.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought that was cool. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I don't think he has any more.
Well,
Oh, maybe that's it?
oh,
There you go. Yeah.
They said he had 3 toys. So
3 things. Okay, cool.
This is the Catnip.
Oh, catnip. There's your
So
catnip.
I'm going to give him a little bit right now just to see if he likes it.
Mm-hmm.
Kit Kat.
Uh-huh.
Hold this like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Hold this like this.
Oh, yeah. Like that, yeah. Like that, yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
He eats the stuff.
Oh yeah, he even eats.
I wonder why he eats it, guys.
Yeah. He just likes the smell of it.
He eats the stuff. Let me know in the comments if your cat ever eats the stuff.
Yeah, and he's
Oh.
Oh, yeah, he likes it. Every cat. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he likes the catnip. Oh, my word. Aww. He's getting hot off it. No. This is funny. Ain't he cute? Oh, he's praising everybody. He's praising the Lord for this, right, Greg?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Wow.
Wow, he loves it. Yeah. Thanks to Keybank on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was one of his favorite ones.
Well, I can watch them all day.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's it for Kit Kat.
Yeah, that was good Kit Kat, but that was good.
So they... Okay, so we are going to do this right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is from the Iraqi Iraqi Kabab market, guys. Somebody from Keybank went ahead and got us a big box from the Iraqi Kabab market.
Yeah.
Give us some stuff, so we're going to see what this is.
Can't wait to see this. Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah. Huh.
We'll try it?
Yeah, well, let me see what it is.
Put it aside.
Oh, yeah, put it aside. Yeah.
We'll do a quick food review.
Yeah,
we'll do a food review on,
we'll do a quick review
on the,
yeah.
Or the,
yeah.
What it looks like, guys.
Yeah.
Second oil.
What is this? Like it?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Not bad. It's wrapped up in spinach.
It's like a spinach with like a rice with a
Ain't bad.
I think it's 2 for both of us, so 3 for both of us.
Looks good. I mean, it tastes good. I think I'll give this an 8,
I don't
guys.
know what that stuff is. I thought he wouldn't like it at first.
I think it's rice and vegetable in it. I don't know.
Last one.
Nope.
Eat these up. And like the oil. Almost looks like a meat, like a pork. That's weird.
If it isn't meat in it, I wouldn't taste that.
Yeah.
I mean, it just tastes like...
Almost like, I can't describe it.
It's just filling. It's good. I mean, it's really good.
You know what in the comments what they are.
Yeah. Let us know.
Let's try it again.
Yeah, let us know, everybody.
Another one of those bowls.
Yeah. Which one? Let me just
Pole bowls, like one of these.
Oh, it's more of these. We got more of these.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
No, wait a minute. What do you give them? I give them an 8 too.
I give them 8. We can eat more of them later if you want.
Maybe these are different. Maybe these have a different.
Oh, maybe they're different?
Yeah, they do look different.
Oh, we'll try one. Yeah, we'll try one. Yeah.
These look like.
No?
The same thing?
Same thing, but they gave us extra. Maybe they gave us one apiece, one container apiece.
Oh!
Ooh, shoot. I'll let you have the rest, though, Greg.
No.
You're going to split them up? Let's split them up.
Yeah, I'll give you. We'll have fair amounts.
Okay.
They evenly did it.
Okay.
The next one.
Next one, yeah. Yeah. Here we go.
So.
Really good, guys.
What is this? Oh, go get a fork.
Looks like a salad.
Go get it. I'll get
a
Here,
fork.
get a
Yeah, I get a
fork.
fork. Yeah.
in a small bowl. Just
Okay,
one
yeah.
small bowl.
Okay. Yeah.
It looks like a macaroni salad with corn and chickpeas, guys. And it looks like onion. Got chickpeas in there, it looks like. Iraqi salad. Thanks.
Yeah. There's a spoon. Yep. I got a fork for you. There you go. Okay. See how this tastes. Yeah.
Here you go. Chris.
Yeah. Yeah. Mmm.
You hear the wind blowing? It's a nasty storm.
Yeah, bad storm, guys.
It's this Friday. It's Friday, and 2 days before Christmas.
We want to thank Keybank for bringing us over, too.
Yeah.
Very bad storm.
They went ahead and brought it even to our door.
This is very good.
You can have it.
Yep.
That's good.
That's real good, guys.
I give that guys a 6.
I give it a 7. Yeah.
It's good.
Remember. They got chickpeas in it.
Yeah. And corn. That's the other.
We got another one, guys. Another cold one.
I know what this is. Okay.
Okay. I think it's gonna be good. I really do. Ooh, it's a dip.
So,
It smells like
I don't know.
it could be a dip. I don't know if it's
I don't know
eatable.
if he likes this.
Yeah, we'll try it a little bit. Looks like a dip.
Okay.
You dip with your chips, maybe, guys. The bean dip.
It's hummus.
Hummus, yeah. Gotta get some chips to dip it in. Yep.
That's good, guys. I'll save that right there
Yep.
for a little later so we can have some chips.
Yeah.
That I give it 8.
I'll give it an 8. Yeah. I'm giving it an 8.
Good. Anything else on there? Any
Nothing,
more of
nothing
those?
cold, is it? Oh, wait a minute. There might be something.
Okay.
Look at the 5 things. Yeah.
I think I know what these are.
Yep.
Ooh, you're gonna love these.
Ooh.
Try this.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Remember what you said you like?
Ooh.
Try it.
Wait a minute.
Try it.
Remember what you get at. So is it something like what's that? The House of Pizza.
Baklava.
Baklava, yeah. Thanks a lot, Keybank. Wow. This is from the Iraqi store, huh? What else stuff is? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Close to.
I'm good at 9. Very good.
I'm gonna give it a 10.
Yep. They're all a little bit different too. Yep.
That's good.
You're up next. What we're gonna do is show the rest of them and
Yeah, we're gonna mostly show these recipes, guys.
yeah.
There's a lot of these are sweets. Like this
Well,
one's
sweets, yeah.
assorted sweets.
Yeah, so we
We're
can do
gonna
these
do
later.
individual reviews on these.
Yeah, we're gonna do it
In another video.
Yeah.
But this is a Zamato sweets.
Yeah.
Hand packed inside. Originally, Leviatine,
Yeah.
cinnamon, sesame, and butter cookies.
Yeah, we wanted to do the homemade stuff first, so
Yeah.
you know, so but anyways.
Stuff that's cold.
Yeah, cold, yeah, but we're gonna show you the rest. Here we go. There's a
Ooh. These are the 3 flavors of Eclair mix. Eclair's mix. I never heard of these guys.
Eclairs. Wow. Yeah. They look
That's
good.
big. I love the tins.
Yeah.
That's big cool.
Maybe these.
The next one is the Damala
Yeah.
Paez.
Usually they got stuck in the middle. Whatever it is.
Cool.
Good stuff in the middle, I think, of it. Oh, it looks good. I think we're gonna like it. Fruit in the middle, maybe.
Wtvl Daja Yamasaka Siki Sana.
Fruit chews.
Fruit
they're called.
chews.
Yeah.
Never say that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty
There's
cool.
like different flavors.
Yeah, we'll grade the box after we get all of them.
The next one is Carrots Delight with mixed nuts. Habaza.
Ooh.
There's a lot of different stuff like I've never heard of before. We definitely have to take a look up there. Maybe do a review of the place or whatever. See if we can do a video for that channel and for helping her out.
Ooh. Is that a drink?
Yes, we're gonna do a drink right now. Go get 2 cups. Chris.
Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yeah. Well, that wind is really strong, guys. I hope nobody's out in it. I praise everybody that don't go out in it. Oh my God.
Praise. You keep saying I praise everyone to go. I give them 2. Just regular cups. Yeah. See-through. I don't know.
Yeah, or just regular drink.
I'm the Euladag.
Looks like a regular drink. Yeah. Looks like a regular drink, guys. We'll see.
Okay. Can you go get the can opener in the kitchen?
Yeah, okay.
It's the one that's a regular can opener.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
Yeah.
They're gonna make this tough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make you work for it.
Yeah, make it work.
It's on the top, in the little, yeah.
This is a can opener plus a picker. There you go. That'll work. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, he's trying. There you go.
We get hard.
Mmm. There you go.
Oh, there we
There you
go.
go. Yeah, yeah.
Twisted. Make these so dangerous.
There you go. Huh. There you go. Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah. Mmm. That was pretty good.
Even small step fresh.
Yeah.
Try it before
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
drink much.
Not bad.
Like it?
Yeah. Mm. There we go. Yeah. It's pretty good. I think I'm going to give this a 10. Really like it. It's a good drink.
Let me give it 8.
Yeah. There you go. Yep. 10 for me, 8 for him. Okay. Oh. Oh, that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, another drink.
I can't even pronounce this, guys. Arif brand float. Mango drink with fruit pieces.
Ooh.
Do we shake it or shake well?
Does it shake well? No.
Ooh.
Ooh. There you go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It didn't. Ooh. Did not break.
Come on. Oh, that was weird.
That was
I thought it was
weird.
gonna did you pull it down? Wow, that was weird.
Yeah, that
That's
was
something we
strange.
never see.
Yeah, yeah.
Turn that.
There you go. Okay. Ooh, mango. It's pretty good, guys. I give that a 9. Mmm, pretty good.
Mango pieces are pretty big.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty big mango pieces.
Wow, guys. 9 for that.
See the mango in there?
Yeah, it's quite a bit of mango. Mmm. Yeah. Mango pieces, yeah.
Good sized pieces.
Real mango, guys.
Real
good.
mango.
Yep. So 2 drinks. Thanks a lot, Keybank. Look at that.
Wow.
2 drinks right there.
Look at that.
Peanut butter pops.
These ones are peanut butter puff.
Yeah.
The Bamba
Mmm.
peanut butter puffs.
Yeah.
We'll do those reviewing the next time.
Yeah.
Next one is.
Oh, I got some fruitcake from you guys.
Okay,
too.
so-
Here's the fruitcake.
We found out that
Yeah.
Keybank said that since Chris liked the fruitcake so much last video, he gets one.
Yeah. There you go. I got a fruitcake from Keybank.
And what about me, Chris? Do I get
actually, he can have more of this because I ain't big on it. But, you know, you can have a little bit, yeah.
A little bit?
Yeah.
You're probably going to give me the
whole thing, yeah. Yeah, but thanks for it anyways. Somebody will eat it. No.
And this is the Door 3 croissant, guys. This has cherry in it.
There you go.
And what else?
Oh, they have two of them actually.
Oh, they got two of them. One apiece.
Ain't that nice?
One apiece.
Nice one.
They know Chris is hungry too.
Yeah.
This is the
one apiece.
Wtvl. This is like a coconut, it looks like.
Could be coconut.
Both of them.
Yeah. It could be. Actually, no. They gave us both.
Oh, they gave us both ones.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to eat mine. I mean, okay.
Chris's favorite.
Okay, my favorite. I'll have it. No.
The next one is Lion Chocolate. Nestle Lion Chocolate, guys. That looks cool.
Yeah, these are good things. Ooh.
This is, I think that's a sesame crotchet.
Ooh.
Croaking. Looks like a sesame bar. I like sesame.
Ooh, named after his cat.
Oh, and this is the Kit Kat tap.
They must have did a little bit of humor there. Yeah,
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat humor.
Yay, Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. There you go.
Ooh,
Iraqi pickles.
Iraqi pickles.
We get to try Iraqi pickles.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Hopefully they're not too bitter. I don't like
Yeah, we'll try it out.
Isn't that nice house? Lovely design.
Yeah, I like that.
Hopefully it's not.
Iraqi pickles. Yeah. Hopefully not sweet. Well, sweet pickles he likes better, guys.
Well, it says date vinegar. Cauliflower. I might like this, guys.
Yeah. Maybe you might like it.
Wait a minute. Stuffed green olives. Pepper, lemon, carrots, thyme, cucumber stuffed with what?
Oh, it's different stuff in there, guys.
Yeah. Huh.
This could be interesting.
Wow.
Oh, and plus we got pickled peppers. Ooh, little spice. Little spice.
Wow.
Yeah.
These are gonna be hot, guys.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes. It could be pickled green peppers too. If that's the case, they're not too spicy, but
no, this looks like
jalapenos. Oh no. Okay.
Let me know in the challenge whether you want Chris eat the whole container of these. Or do a challenge where Chris eats the whole container.
Oh, I wouldn't make it through it, guys.
What?
I wouldn't make it through, but you can try them. No, got do an effort. Okay.
Good one else. Anything else?
I guess that's it, guys.
Awesome, guys.
There we go.
That was amazing.
Box from
Keybank, and shout out to the Iraqi Kabab.
Yeah.
In
where?
Wtvl on College Ave.
Yeah.
They're awesome. I haven't been there yet.
Yeah. But we're gonna try it now.
Definitely gonna check it out sometime. So anyway, guys, thank you.
Thanks.
We're so happy, guys. We're like,
we're so
Christmassy. It just feels so good when people love our channel and send us.
Yeah, we feel so
boxes.
Christmassy now. I mean,
we got 2 boxes in 1 week.
Yeah,
so
right.
That was a blessing.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for all the donations. Thank you, Keybank. Thank you, Iraqi Kabab.
Yeah.
Also, thank you, people that have sent us boxes. and also donated that channel to make things possible.
Yeah,
and to do food reviews. We definitely like it, so we can give more content to you. Anyway, if you also want to check out my store, my merch store, we might give you an autographed shirt if you guys buy it and you want to ship it to us.
Yeah, please check our merch out. I mean, we'd be glad to.
And you know something funny, Chris?
What is it?
1,000 subscribers is about 240 subscribers away. We got to start planning on what we're going to do for a giveaway at 1,000. I was kind of thinking of maybe a shirt with signed signatures. Maybe
to only so many of
or
them,
just one person.
One person probably.
Yeah, and they would have to do a trivia question or something about this channel.
Yeah.
They would have to win it. Or like a $25 gift card, one or the other.
Yeah. Yeah.
But let me know in the comments what you guys would like us to do for the channel.
He is gonna start getting payments in, once we get 1,000 subscribers.
But it's not about the payments.
It's not about the payments.
It's about you guys and giving content with you guys. So.
Yeah, so it ain't about the money. Yeah. We're just doing it for you guys.
And guys, Merry Christmas and thank you guys for watching my stuff, and we love you guys from Maine to you. Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel. MAINE'S food reviews come on once again from
the power of YouTube.
Subscribe, like, hit the notification button.
And always, peace out.
You see, I messed up there.
Yeah.
Peace out. From Maine to you guys. Peace out. God bless.